In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to animate photos with Dolly Zoom in Canva. We'll recreate that cinematic Dolly Zoom look using simple Canva tools, starting with a video canvas so everything animates smoothly. Begin by opening any video template that matches your project's aspect ratio. A standard 16:9 works great for social or YouTube, but choose what fits your final output. With the canvas open, head over to the Uploads tab and bring in your first image. This will act as the background plate. Drag it onto the canvas, then resize it to fill the frame. For best results, scale it a little larger than the canvas on all sides. That extra padding prevents visible edges during the zoom animation and keeps the shot feeling seamless. With the background image selected, click Animate. In the animation panel, choose Photo Zoom. This is where the Dolly magic begins. Adjust the scale slider to control how dramatic the move feels. Now set the motion direction to out. That makes the background appear to pull away from the viewer, which is half of the classic Dolly zoom effect. Subtlety often looks more professional, so start with a moderate scale and tweak from there. Next, insert your second image, the subject you want to highlight. With it selected, use BG Remover to cut out the background, so the subject sits cleanly on top of your scene. After the cutout is applied, reposition the subject where you want it in the frame and resize as needed. A centered subject works well, but feel free to align with the rule of thirds for a more cinematic composition. While the subject is still selected, click Animate again. Stay within Photo Zoom and choose In. Now the subject moves toward the viewer while the background moves away, giving you that striking Dolly zoom illusion without any camera gear. To add atmosphere, go to Elements and search for Rain. Click See All, then switch to Videos so you can layer a moving rain texture over your scene. Insert a rain clip, resize it, and scale it to cover the entire canvas. With the rain layer selected, open transparency and lower it to around 20. This keeps the effects subtle and cinematic, adding motion and depth without overpowering your images. Finally, click Preview to watch everything together. You should see the background drifting back, the subject easing forward, and the gentle rain adding mood. That's your Dolly Zoom photo animation in Canva. Simple, sleek, and ready to remix with different images and overlay styles.